Hello, I'm Dant, and today I will present you a Fifa thumbnail guide. First, we have to set the size of our thumbnail as standard, and it looks best at 1280 x 720 pixels. Now, as in the last tutorial, we get the color needed for our background. Once we have the background, we can look for a player's render. I recommend choosing a large render for a thumbnail, so that it does not lose its quality. This one will be appropriate. We set the render either on the right or on the left side of the thumbnail, depending on how we like it. Now we are going to throw our render into a layer group, where we'll do some lights on it. Take a close look at how it's done. Now, when our render is ready, we will add brush. Once again, I advise you to do it with color matching, a maximum of 2 or 3 colors per brushes. We will use my brush pack once again, to which you have a link in the description. Recently there was quite a big update adding 100 brushes. I have nothing to say here either. Have fun according to your imagination. Use brushes, but remember, colors. Once we have the brushes behind us, we will add a card. I have a great way to look for cards. Watch carefully. We choose the card we are interested in and adjust it as I did, remembering that under no circumstances should it be too large or too small. We place the card in front of our brushes to make it look static. Now I will take care of a special background for this card. You can do it too, but watch carefully. But first I will look for a render on a card. Remember that it must be different than on the thumbnail for the appearance. We will now add a special Fifa style vertical lettering. Now we will take care of the filters. Please watch carefully as this may come in handy in the new season. And that's about it. If you liked the episode, leave a subscription and like, and remember that every 2 days there are films, whether from guides or from graphic packages, and this is really important when you are a graphic designer. Hold on and see you.